how to sign out of Prime Video in Chromecast. Okay, so using the Chromecast remote here. Then on your TV, we're going to navigate. So I'm going to navigate back to the menu over here. So you want to go navigate to the left hand side menu on this side here. And then you want to navigate down to settings. And go into settings. In settings, we're going to navigate down, all the way down to the bottom. And select sign out. On this side here, you want to select sign out. It is now selected. So press on it. And then it says, are you sure you want to sign out? And then just select OK. Okay, and that's it. You are now signed out. You can sign back in with another account. And that's it. Thank you for watching.